what have been your biggest challenges, like, in scaling production while you maintain quality?
There has been a lot of things, but what actually helped us is customer reviews. Whenever we spoke to our customers and we started consciously and continuously taking feedback from even the satisfied customers of ours, that there would be one thing that you were not happy with. Tell us that one thing. That really was a game changer for us, because you're hustling. So you are kind of unlocking a lot of things about your own product. So some of the things that really, one of the things is I'm a user of my own products, so I know where it can mess up and what are the kind of problems. Because I'm using the product, it's my brand, I may not complain, I have nobody to complain to. But when somebody is complaining about a certain problem to the customer support, I know exactly what they should be telling. Regarding the supply and the demand side of it, so we always are like struggling with that also, even now, because most of the data that we have is on past data, and we are continuously growing. And if when we are launching any new SKU, we don't know what the demand of it is going to be like. So we let it be very natural, and sometimes, lot of times, we actually go out of stock on Amazon also, where most of my digital marketing team is telling me that Kirti, we will have to build up again on the product category. I was like, I know, but what do we do about it? It will pace up, just like give us some time. So that's still a problem, but I think data helps a lot. Also, customer feedback helps a lot to continuously improve the product, because there will be problems. And how do you communicate also? So we give this guidebook. It's a 25 pages guidebook which explains everything about how to use these utensils, what can go wrong if you do certain things. For example, in our masala dani, if you put salt in it, the dani will start tarnishing very quick. And it's actually told that you shouldn't put salt with your masalas even in steel. So we just started telling it, and everybody is like, नमक दानी में कैसे नहीं? I was like, हम तो नमक दानी बोल ही नहीं रहे, हम मसाला दानी बोल रहे हैं. आप मसाले रखो, नमक मत रखो इसमें. So that behavioral changes also, we are communicating it, but yeah, it's always a challenge.